All right, sometimes you just need to learn or need some help in changing or routing off your belt. This is on a Whirlpool Maytag. Some could be Kenmore, could be Cabrio, but any pretty much Whirlpool dryer. This is the belt and this is how we put it on. Now you're going to make sure that you face the rib side. That's the portion that has the lines. That has to face the drum. And once you do, you basically route it. And once you're done, make sure that it's not twisted. And you can rotate the drum back and forth a couple times just to ensure that it's on. Otherwise, it's going to come off when you put it back together. All right, let's you do that. All right, guys, short and easy, nice and fast. Thanks for watching.